Ma'am,
For
your
what
comment on that?
reasons, if I may know? Not good enough for what reasons, ma'am? If you would like to repeat their words.
When someone is trying to get some information out of you by repeatedly asking you questions or kind of pushing you to a corner, that's known as probing, or they are trying to elicit some information out of you. Probing essentially means they are investigating or questioning in the nature that you feel slightly intimidated. Okay, typically a technique used by cops, or for that matter, elicit information essentially means to draw out or pull out information from you. For example, my neighbor doles out some juicy gossip. So I'm often, trying to elicit that juicy gossip out of her. Or in this case, Nirmala Sitharaman was repeatedly asking questions to elicit the necessary response from the journalist.